take a look at this problem. We got x plus 4 to the 5/2 power equals 32. And instructions say solve each equation using the power principle. Well, what the power principle says is if you got something to a power on one side, and that's what we have. We have something to a power. You can't have anything in front of it. You have to have just whatever it is to a power. Then, and that's equal to something else. It's pretty vague, isn't it? Then, what it tells us is you can take both sides to a power equal to the reciprocal of this exponent. Reciprocal means fraction flipped. So this is 5/2, so that means I can take both sides to the 2/5 power. Like that. Now, since the number, this is in fraction form, since the number up on top is odd, that means that there is no plus or minus in this problem. So over here, we don't put a plus or minus before 32 because that's an odd number. Well, when you do that, these 5's cancel, these 2's cancel, and we're going to be left with x plus 4 here. Now, when you got a number to a fractional power, and your number up on top is not a 1, then you can rewrite this as 32 to the 1/5 power, we're all raised to the second power. So whatever number's up on top, you can take that and put it on the outside of the set of parentheses. Then we're going to rewrite what's inside the parentheses in radical form. So this would be the 5th root of 32 to the 1st power squared. Whatever number's on the bottom here, that goes in this slot right here. That's called your index. Whatever number's up on top right here is what power goes right here. Of course, if it's 1, we could go ahead and just drop it. So we're going to have x plus 4 is equal to the 5th root of 32 to the 2nd power. So we've got x plus 4 is equal to, now if I do the prime factorization of 32, that's 5 2's. Now this index, which is 5, the number in the slot right here, that's your index, that tells us how many we're looking for. So that tells us we're looking for 5 of something. Well, we got 5 2's, so that works out nice. We're going to take those 5 2's and put it out in front as a single one of them. So then this becomes 2 squared. That second power just carries down. Now the radical disappears because we took everything out of the radical. So we got x plus 4 is equal to 2 squared is 4. And now it's just a linear equation. So I'll take this 4 and move it over. Anytime you take anything across the equals, the sign changes. So this positive 4 becomes a negative 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So x equals 0 is our answer. Now you should always check this. Because whenever you use power principle, you get correct answers, but you get answers that are incorrect sometimes. So if I put 0 up here, 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 to the 5/2 power is 32, so it checks.